Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Ghost Lake, Alberta, a small community tucked away in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. This village sits beside the Ghost Reservoir, which was created when the Ghost Dam was built in the 1920s. The area has long been known for its stunning views of the mountains and its peaceful natural setting. Today, Ghost Lake is a popular spot for boating, fishing, and enjoying the outdoors. Many people come here to escape the noise of the city and take in the wide open skies. In the winter, the lake transforms into a playground for ice sports and breathtaking scenery. Whether you're here to enjoy water activities, explore the mountains, or simply relax, Ghost Lake is a place that leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Ghost Lake, Alberta.